Good morning, everyone. Are you ready for a fun day?
Yes, Dad. Are we going to the park?
Not today, Leo. We are going to the supermarket.
Yeah! Yay! I love the supermarket. Can we buy some chocolate?
Maybe, Mia. But today, we have a special challenge called the Matching Dinner.
A challenge? How do we play it?
We will divide into 2 teams. I will go with Mia, and Jack will go with Leo.
Team girls and team boys. I like it.
Exactly. Team boys must find the meat for dinner. Leo, you are the leader.
Cool. I want to find the best meat. What about team girls?
Mia and I will find the fresh vegetables and some sweet fruits.
I want big orange carrots and red apples.
But remember, it's a secret. We don't know what the other team buys.
That's right. At the checkout, we will see if our food matches.
What if they don't match? Like, fish and strawberries.
Then we will have a very strange dinner.
No, I want a delicious dinner.
Don't worry. Just think about what tastes good together.
I'm ready. Team boys, let's go! Wait for us. Team girls is faster.
Okay, everyone, let's take our shopping bags and start the car.
Look at all these colors, Mia. The vegetables look so fresh today.
Wow, it's like a green forest. What do we need first, Mom?
Well, for a good dinner, we need some healthy vegetables. How about these?
Oh, broccoli. They look like small trees. I like them.
Good choice. Let's put 2 heads of broccoli in the basket.
1, 2. Done. What is next on our list?
We need some carrots. Can you find the brightest orange carrots?
Here they are. These are very long and crunchy.
Perfect.
Yeah?
How many do we need?
Yeah.
Let's take 4 big carrots.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mom, why do we need carrots?
Because carrots are good for your eyes. And they are delicious with meat.
I hope Dad and Leo are buying good meat.
I hope so too. Oh, look at these onions. They are very purple.
Phew. Onions smell very strong. Do we really need them?
Just a small one, Mia. Onions make the food taste better when we cook.
Okay, just one small purple onion. But I don't want to cry.
Don't worry, I will cut it, not you.
Look, Mom, huge potatoes. Can we make French fries?
Maybe not fries, but we can make mashed potatoes. Let's take 3.
Yay! Mashed potatoes are my favorite.
Our basket is getting heavy. We have broccoli, carrots, an onion, and potatoes.
We are the best team. Now, let's find something sweet for the next part.
High five, Mia. Let's go.
Okay, Leo, it is our turn. We need to find the main part of our dinner.
I am ready, Dad. Should we buy fish, chicken, or beef?
What do you think? Which one is the most delicious for a family meal?
I like chicken, but I think beef is better for a challenge.
Good thinking. Let's look at the beef. Look at this steak.
It looks very fresh. But Dad, how much does it cost?
Let's check the price tag. It is $15 per kilo.
Is that expensive or cheap? I don't remember.
It is a bit expensive, but the quality is very high.
Okay. Let's ask the butcher for some help.
Hello. Can we have 500 grams of this beefsteak, please?
Wait, Dad. Is 500 grams enough for 4 people?
You are right, Leo. Maybe we should take 1 kilo.
Yes. 1 kilo of beef, please. Mia and Mom are very hungry.
Thank you. Here is our beef.
It feels heavy. What else do we need?
We have the meat, but we need to choose carefully. Do you think Mom will buy potatoes?
I hope so. Beef and potatoes are a perfect match.
Me too. If they buy potatoes, we can have a great steak dinner.
But what if they buy something strange, like grapes?
Then we will have grape beef.
No way. I want a normal dinner. Let's go to the next aisle.
Follow me, Captain Leo.
Look, Mom. The fruit island. It smells so sweet here.
It really does. We need to pick 2 types of fruit for dessert.
Can we get these strawberries? They are so red and pretty.
Let's check them first. Are they soft or firm?
They are firm and smell wonderful.
Great. Put 1 box in the basket.
Oh,
Now, what else should we buy?
how about these big watermelons? I want the biggest one. Haha.
A watermelon is very heavy, Mia. Is it better than these yellow melons?
The yellow melons are smaller. Are they sweet?
Yes, they are very juicy and sweet. Let's take a small yellow melon instead.
Okay, 1 box of strawberries and 1 yellow melon.
Look at these apples. They are shiny. Do you want some?
No, thank you. We already have many things.
You are right. We must save space in our basket.
Mom, do you think Dad and Leo like strawberries?
Everybody loves strawberries. They are better than candy.
I agree. Strawberries are healthy and delicious.
Now we have vegetables and fruits. Our team is finished.
Let's go find the boys. I want to see what they are hiding.
Not yet, Mia. We have to wait at the checkout. It's a surprise.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, let's go to the front of the store. Dad, look. The best aisle in the whole supermarket.
The snack aisle. I knew you would find this place, Leo.
Can we choose some snacks for the movie tonight?
Okay, but remember the rule. Only 2 items, and they must not be too unhealthy.
How about these potato chips? They are salty and crunchy.
Let's look at the bag. This one has a lot of salt. Is there a better option?
These ones say less salt on the box. Are they okay?
Yes, those are much better. Put 1 bag in the cart.
Great! Now I want something sweet. Can we get these chocolate cookies?
They look delicious, but they have too much sugar. Look at these oat biscuits.
Do oat biscuits taste good?
Yes. They have honey and nuts inside. They are sweet, but healthy.
Okay, let's try them. 1 bag of chips and 1 box of biscuits.
Good choices, Leo. You are learning how to shop well.
It's hard to choose. There are so many bottles of soda here, too.
We don't need soda. We have fresh water at home.
You're right. Water is better for us.
Now we have the beef and our snacks. Are we ready to meet the girls?
Yes. I want to see if they bought the right vegetables for our beef.
Me too. I hope they didn't buy only fruit.
Let's go to the checkout. I want to win this challenge.
It's not a race, but let's go.
Look, I see Mom and Mia. They are already at the checkout.
Hi, team girls. Did you find everything on your list?
Hi, team boys. Yes, our basket is full of healthy things.
It's time for the secret reveal. What did you buy, Leo? We bought a big piece of fresh beef.
Oh, that is perfect. Guess what we have?
We have broccoli, carrots, and potatoes.
Fantastic. Beef, potatoes, and carrots. We can make a wonderful beef stew.
Yes. Our dinner matches perfectly. We are a great team.
Hello? Are you ready to pay for these items?
Yes, we are.
That's 2 bags of vegetables, 1 kilo of beef, some fruit, and 2 snacks.
The snacks are for the movie tonight.
That sounds fun. Move here. Do you have a membership card?
Oh, yes. It is in my wallet. Here you go.
Mia, can you help me put the fruit into this bag, please?
Yes, Mom. I am very careful with the strawberries.
That will be $45 in total, please.
Here is $50.
Thank you. And here is your change and the receipt.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your dinner.
We have everything. Let's go to the car. I am so hungry now. Me too. I want to help Mom cook the matching dinner.
Okay, let's put these heavy bags inside.
I can help. I am strong. I will carry the bag with the beef and snacks. And I will carry the light bag with the strawberries.
Well done, both of you. You were amazing helpers today.
I am very proud of you. You learned many new words in English.
That's right. Mia, do you remember the names of the vegetables we bought?
Yes. Broccoli, carrots, onions, and potatoes.
Perfect. And Leo, what did you learn at the meat counter?
I learned about kilos and grams. And I know how to ask, how much does it cost?
Excellent. Shopping is a great way to practice English, isn't it?
Yes. It was like a game. Can we come back next week?
Of course. But now it's time to go home and cook our matching dinner.
I can't wait to eat the beef stew and the sweet strawberries.
And how about you? What is your favorite food to buy at the supermarket?
Tell us in the comments. Woo!
Thank you for joining our family
Today. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed our supermarket challenge today. Before we go, I have a quick question for you. Do you remember the English name of the purple vegetable Mia picked for our dinner? Let's see if you were paying attention. Also, we are very curious to know where in the world you are watching this video from. Please leave a comment and let us know your city or country. If you found this English lesson helpful and fun, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more family adventures. Your support helps us create more stories like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.